Good Sunday morning, everyone. The time is 7:14. Today is a weather impact alert day for sweltering heat. Our heat index this afternoon can get dangerously hot, actually, maybe up to 118 to 120 degrees in a few spots. Not everywhere, but generally expecting a heat index up into the upper teens. It is going to be a scorching hot day today. This is from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And make sure, of course, we know the drill, but seriously, if you will be outside today, if you have to work, have something with you, water, something to hydrate you. Take breaks in the shade or air conditioning. If you don't have to do anything strenuous outside today, I would try to avoid it because it will be so oppressively hot and humid. Make sure the pets have what they need. Consider bringing them inside. Also call the neighbors and make sure they're doing okay, and family members that maybe don't even have air conditioning. So it is going to be a scorcher of a day. Luckily, the morning right now feels pretty good. Temperatures are in the 70s. It's a quiet start to the day. Beautiful this morning with plenty of sunshine. Really looking at 70s across the board now. It's not until later that the sizzling heat will be really in full force. Today we'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds. Our air temperatures may get to the upper 90s. Some of us getting close to the triple digits for our actual air temperatures. Then of course you factor in the humidity. That's why our feels like temperatures are going to be so incredibly high today. Today we should also trend mostly dry. Only have a 20 to 30% chance for an isolated shower or rumble of thunder this afternoon. Most of us seeing a dry day. It's not until tomorrow we'll start to see some storms moving in thanks to that front we've been talking about. Today we're under an excessive heat warning. The entire area shaded in this pink color from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. again because of that heat index up to 118 plus degrees this afternoon during that late afternoon, early evening time frame, hottest part of the day. So the front is on the way. You can see it here perfectly on water vapor imagery. There's drier air up to the north. Really looking forward to that getting here because that will make a big difference. Our heat index will be nowhere near this by Tuesday, and that will be the trend through midweek. But in the meantime, today and tomorrow, very muggy and still really hot. Today with a little bit of dry air around actually now, not much, but really the support for storms isn't there just yet. I think today not much rain is expected for the bulk of our Sunday, maybe one or two showers and rumbles of thunder. And then getting into tomorrow, I think that's when we'll see some storms moving in courtesy of that front. Early Monday, so maybe early tomorrow morning we'll start to see some storms moving in from north to south, so they'll impact the North Shore first and then drift southward. Now these storms can be on the strong side with that front coming in, producing those gusty winds and possibly some small hail and frequent lightning. This is in the afternoon tomorrow. Some heavy downpours passing through. Really, it's a strong wind potential we'll be watching with these thunderstorms getting into the first part of our Monday. And then by tomorrow during the later afternoon, so the evening commute tomorrow, things should start to be winding down. Things should start to wind down by tomorrow evening for that commute time. This is around 5 p.m. tomorrow. Things clearing up. And then Tuesday, not expecting any rain because the front is going to finally bring that drier air in, and we won't have to worry about any rain midweek. But tomorrow, we actually are highlighted for a marginal risk for severe weather because of that front. That risk in effect through early Monday morning for the North Shore and South Mississippi in a level 1 out of 5. So it is a low risk, but again, those storms tomorrow can give us those strong wind gusts, maybe up to 50 miles per hour, and the small hail possible, in addition to a lot of lightning. Further to the north, there is that slight risk of severe weather. But luckily, that dry air is really going to drop our dew points by Tuesday, so our nights and mornings midweek are going to feel really pleasant and really incredible compared to today. So looking forward to that more pleasant feel with lower humidity with us Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, it's still going to be hot. Temperatures will be in the mid-90s, but it'll actually feel like the mid-90s those days. So less humidity coming our way, and then it's short-lived. By Friday and Saturday, we get into a more active pattern. The humidity comes up, but also we'll be seeing more rain later in the week. So therefore our temperatures will only be around 90 degrees. So getting into the upper pattern, that trough comes down, brings us the front. And then we see this area kind of spin off here, and that will provide the support for more showers and storms by Friday and Saturday into next weekend. So that's when our rain chances do go back up by Friday and Saturday. Looking into the tropics, there's nothing to worry about here at home over the next week. It's just going to be really hot and humid today, and looking forward to that lower humidity midweek.